You're going to be making a Chinese lantern. You're going to start at the top, and you're going to make the top part of the lantern at least 3 fingers thick. You're going to repeat that on the bottom. Make sure it's about a hand width away from the edge of the paper. You're going to connect the top to the bottom by a rounded shape. You're going to do that throughout the middle as well for your center lines. Take a paint marker up. Don't forget to have your name and your class code in the middle of the paper. Then you can take that paint marker and go over top of those lines. Don't forget the top piece, even though it is the outside part. Make sure your messy mat is underneath and you put your top back all the way. Give your black a moment to dry, and then you can use the paint. You're going to do a goldish yellow in the middle. Careful not to touch the black in case the paint marker still is a little wet. It will make lines and smudge. Now make sure you wipe the extra paint on the lip of the container. And we also need to cut ours out. I would suggest cutting yours out before you start the painting. Otherwise, you could get a little messier. But if you forget, no worries. Wait, however, until the black is dry. Otherwise, it'll be too hard. I'm going to wipe off the excess on my messy mat, turn mine to the side, and I'm going to use the red to paint the interior of my lantern. I try to really spread out that paint so it will be dry for later. I'm going to get some scrap red, and I'm going to cut a wavy line from top to bottom. That one ripped, it's okay. You only need about 3 strips. These are going to hang down from my lantern, almost like a fringe. So I'm going to cut 3 strips of red, and with that scrap yellow, I'm just going to cut a few from that. I think about 2 is good. I'm going to turn mine over. This is why we want it dry. That's why we wanted those thin paint. I'm going to add a little bit of glue on the end of my strip, and I'm going to have it hang from the bottom. And I'm going to kind of do a pattern, so I'm just going to do 3, leave a space in the middle, and then do the yellows in between. Now, I'm going to close my glue and get ready to add a Chinese character after I've gone back over my black lines that may have accidentally got red on it. This year, it is the year of the rat. So we are going to do the Chinese character for rat. Draw yours carefully because remember, this cannot erase.